Hello, welcome back to my channel. Join me in my kitchen today. Let's make this yummy-licious mpotompotor. Growing up, my mom used to make this once in a while, especially when cocoyam is in season, so it was always a hit when she does. Because of this, I'd always preferred the cocoyam version. However, you can use the same recipe with your yam. I've tried the yam version a few times, but it still didn't make it for me like the cocoyam version. So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make this cocoyam mpotompotor. It's a one-pot dish, so it's quick and easy to make, and you don't have to do a lot of dishes after you prepare this. Before I start the prep and the cooking, I'll go ahead and introduce the ingredients. This is Lami Cooks and welcome to my kitchen. I'll need some 3 medium tomatoes and 1 large onion. Some green pepper, bakashito or any other pepper is fine. Some garlic and ginger. Some all-purpose seasoning, some momoni. You can substitute anchovies or leave it out completely if you don't have. And I have here some dried herrings, and I also have here some tuna, smoked fish, some palm oil. This is optional if you don't want oil in it. And I have here some cocoyam, and then my eggs to garnish. So I'll go ahead and start with the preps. I'm going to blend the onions, the tomatoes, the pepper, ginger, garlic. I'm going to blend everything together. I'm going to blend mine with the seeds. However, if you want, you can remove the seeds from yours. And I'm going to put the tomatoes first to help the blender blend easily. I'll go ahead now and add the garlic, the ginger, and then the pepper, and then blend it till smooth. After the vegetables is blended, I'll go ahead and peel my cocoyam. You can decide to wash it before you peel it, but I always peel before I wash. I do the opposite. I know it comes down to taste and preference, but I feel the cocoyam version adds some creaminess to the mpotompotor. If you've not tried your mpotompotor with cocoyam, please do and let me know in the comment section. And if you've already tried it, what do you think? Let me know. If you like what I do and you've not clicked on the like button, please make sure you do that to help my video. Thank you. Now that my cocoyam is peeled and washed, I'll go ahead and cut it into big chunks. The size really depends on you. I like my mpotompotor with a little bit of texture. I like to chew the cocoyam, so I cut it in big chunks. But if you want it in smaller bits, you can cut it according to the size you want. To my pot, I'm going to add the peeled and washed cocoyam. I'll add some water to cover the cocoyam. I'll add the blended vegetables, the tomato, onion, the ginger, garlic and the pepper. And then I'll go ahead and add my momoni, my dried herrings. I've washed it. And then my smoked fish, also washed. My all-purpose seasoning. Some salt to taste. And then I'll go ahead and give everything a stir. I'll cover it and start cooking. The mpotompotor has been cooking for the past 7 minutes, so I'm going to give it a stir. One thing about mpotompotor is it can stick to the bottom of the pot, so you have to try to stir it occasionally so you don't burn it. I know there are different methods of preparing mpotompotor, but I prefer this method because the cocoyam picks up the flavor from the sauce. That's why I add the cocoyam and everything together at the same time. Unlike the other versions that you prepare the stew or sauce before you add the yam or the cocoyam, this one picks up the flavor from the beginning. I've added a little bit more water because the cocoyam is still hard. Once the cocoyam is tender, I'm going to break a little bit and mix it with the sauce to thicken it up. I'm going to go ahead and add my palm oil at this stage. You can decide to fry your palm oil with onions on the side before you add it, but I prefer to add it direct and it's perfectly okay. The mpotompotor is almost done. At this stage, I'll taste for seasoning and then I'll add a little bit more salt and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, and voila, the mpotompotor will be ready. After 5 more minutes, the mpotompotor is done. Look at that fish. Oh yeah. One thing about this food is it's very filling. You just need a little bowl and you'll be full. If you've watched this video till now, thank you so much for staying tuned. Until I come your way with another yummylicious recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and then turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first people to be notified. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day. Bye.